lost in silence, hearts torn apart, carrying shadows of broken start. The walls of our homes, now dust and stone, but the spirit of Syria still calls us home. Our footsteps faded on foreign sands, yet the soil of our hearts belongs to this land. Through every exile, through every tear, a quiet vow grows ever clear. Its name. Our roots run deep, our love remains. Syria's hope still burns in our veins. We'll come back home through pain and strife, to breathe new dreams into its light. Of streets where laughter grew, of olive trees beneath the sky so blue. The taste of the wind, the songs of the hills, a love unbroken, a bond that still fills. We build new lives, but it's not the same. For our hearts beat strong with Syria's name. No tyrant shadow can steal our claim. Our homeland waits, unbowed, untamed. We will return through storms and flames, its name. Our roots run deep, our love remains. Syria's hope still burns in our veins. We'll come back home through pain and strife, to breathe new dreams into its light. Doors are open, souls still warm. Through every exile, through every storm, we'll plant the seed